to the Silicon Age. The world is watching as China officially shifts its entire national strategy toward a robot army future. As of March 2026, Beijing has unveiled its 15th five-year plan, 2026 to 2030, and the message is loud and clear. Artificial intelligence and robotics are no longer just tech sectors. They are the new backbone of the Chinese state. The core of the news: a robot-first economy. For the first time, AI was mentioned over 50 times in the national blueprint. Faced with a shrinking workforce and a cooling property market, China is betting everything on physical AI. Robots that don't just think but do. The rise of the humanoid interns. This isn't science fiction anymore. At Xiaomi's massive EV factory, humanoid robots are already working 3-hour internship shifts, handling nuts and bolts alongside humans. Dominating the market, Chinese firms like Agibot and Unitree now control nearly 80% of the global humanoid market. They aren't just making these robots, they're making them cheap. Prices have plummeted, with some models now costing as little as $5,900, less than a used car. R&D explosion. China's research and development spending hit a record 3.92 trillion yuan, $569 billion in 2025. They're aiming for an annual 7% increase to ensure they aren't just developing AI anymore. They are mobilizing it. Imagine 3,000 delegates in the Great Hall of the People, looking at a 141-page plan that essentially says, the human workforce is shrinking, so we will build a new one. We're talking about humanoid robots stepping off the assembly lines and onto them. Companies like Agibot aren't just experimenting, they are shipping thousands of units, carving out a staggering 80% of the world's market share. It's a cyber kung fu era. Just weeks ago, at the Spring Festival, a cluster of humanoid robots performed synchronized martial arts, not as a gimmick, but as a demonstration of high-speed, autonomous coordination that was, quite frankly, terrifyingly beautiful. But behind the glitz of the robots is a cold, hard strategy: total self-reliance. They are pouring $500 billion into R&D to ensure that every chip, every sensor, and every brain is made at home. They aren't waiting for the future to happen to them. They are manufacturing it, one humanoid intern at a time. The Made in China label is about to get a whole lot smarter, and it's happening faster than anyone predicted. Summary table: China's AI and robotics goals, 2026 to 2030. Metric: 2025-2026 status. 2030 target: core AI industry value, approximately $140 billion. $1.4 trillion. Global humanoid share: approximately 80%. Current, maintain dominance. R&D spending growth: 7.08%, historic high. 7% annual increase. Digital economy